What if intelligence isn't about knowing more, but about losing less? And what if the smartest investor in the room isn't the one who predicts the future, but the one who stays calm when everyone else panics? Hi, I'm Peter, and welcome back to Books for Thoughts, where we explore ideas that help you think clearly, live deliberately, and grow your wealth, both financial and emotional, with wisdom. This week, we're exploring what it really means to think intelligently about money, not emotionally, not impulsively, but with reason, patience, and calm. And we begin with one of the most quietly transformative books ever written on investing in life, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It's a book Warren Buffett once called, by far the best book on investing ever written. But its real genius isn't about stocks or charts, it's about temperament. Graham's idea of intelligence has nothing to do with IQ. You can be a genius and still lose everything. Because real intelligence in the market and in life is about emotional discipline. It's about not confusing motion with progress or noise with truth. It's about understanding that investing is not a battle against others. It's a battle against yourself. The market, like life, is full of fluctuations. Prices rise, then fall, often for reasons no one fully understands. But the intelligent investor isn't trying to predict those swings. They're learning to endure them, because wealth isn't built in moments of excitement, it's built in moments of restraint. To teach this, Graham introduces a simple but powerful metaphor. Mr. Market. Imagine you own a small business with a partner named Mr. Market. Every day he knocks on your door, offering to buy your share or sell you his. But his emotions are wild. Some days he's euphoric and offers a ridiculous price. Other days he's depressed and undervalues everything. Your job is not to mirror his moods. Your job is to stay steady, buy when he's irrationally fearful, sell when he's blindly greedy, ignore him the rest of the time. That's the art of intelligent investing. Not reacting to the mood swings of the world, but using them to your advantage. Because whether in markets or relationships, those who stay calm while others panic gain clarity, and clarity compounds. Graham also gives us one of the most profound concepts in finance, the margin of safety. It means always leaving room for error, never betting on perfection, buying below intrinsic value. So even if you're wrong, you don't lose everything. But it's not just a financial principle. It's a life philosophy. It's the reason we keep savings for unexpected days, rest when we feel tired, or stay humble when things go well. A margin of safety is emotional protection, a recognition that we're human and humans make mistakes. Wisdom isn't about being right all the time. It's about staying safe enough to keep learning. Another of Graham's timeless lessons is this: price is what you pay, value is what you get. In investing, that means never mistaking popularity for worth. Just because something's trending doesn't mean it's valuable. But that truth applies to more than money. In a noisy world, where attention is currency and trends move faster than thought, remember that value is quiet. It doesn't need to shout. The intelligent investor, in every sense of the word, isn't chasing what's popular. They're cultivating what's meaningful. Because over time, value always reveals itself. Not immediately, but inevitably. Because in the end, value, real, enduring value, isn't determined by what people think today, but by what remains true over time. And that's why Graham's philosophy feels almost spiritual. It's not about becoming rich. It's about becoming sound, grounded, patient enough to wait for what's real, and wise enough to ignore the rest. Benjamin Graham believed that investing was never just a financial act. It was a moral one, because how you handle risk, reward, and uncertainty reveals who you are when no one's watching. Do you panic when things fall apart? Do you chase what others chase? Or do you stay calm, keep your principles, and act from conviction instead of emotion? The intelligent investor, in Graham's eyes, isn't someone who beats the market. It's someone who masters themselves. And in that sense, this book isn't just about money management. It's about self-management. Because the real volatility we battle isn't out there. It's in here, in our impulses, fears, and impatience. When you learn to master that, your returns in every sense of the word compound beautifully. Most people invest and live with the timeline of a child waiting for dessert. They want results now. But the intelligent investor understands something deeper. Great things unfold slowly. Compounding isn't just a mathematical miracle. It's a metaphor for life. Whether you're building wealth, character, or wisdom, small, consistent actions done quietly over time outperform bursts of brilliance. It's why the most successful investors and the most fulfilled people aren't in a hurry. They know that patience doesn't mean inaction. It means faith in the process. It's the quiet confidence. That time rewards those who respect it. Graham's most underrated insight is that risk isn't volatility. It's vulnerability to emotion. Markets rise and fall. That's normal. But what ruins people isn't the fall itself. It's what they do during it. Selling in fear, buying in greed, mistaking noise for wisdom. That's true in life too. We often abandon what's working because we crave excitement. We chase the new and lose sight of the meaningful. The intelligent investor knows calm is a competitive advantage. Stillness is strength. What makes the intelligent investor timeless is that beneath its formulas and financial advice, it's really a book about peace. It's about accepting uncertainty and learning to live well anyway. When you stop treating life as a series of bets to win or lose and start treating it as a field to cultivate, you begin to understand what Graham meant by intelligence. It's the ability to act with reason when the world moves with emotion, to live with principles when others live by trends, and maybe that's what wisdom really is. The calm persistence of staying true to what's valuable even when it isn't visible yet. So whether you're investing in stocks, a dream, or a relationship, remember you don't need to be brilliant. You just need to stay steady. Because in the long run, clarity outperforms chaos. If this reflection grounded you, I encourage you to pick up The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and experience his timeless wisdom for yourself. And if you enjoy calm, thoughtful breakdowns like this one, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Books for Thoughts, where we explore 10-minute ideas that help you think clearly, live deliberately, and grow patiently, one insight at a time. Until next time, stay steady, stay patient, and remember, intelligence isn't speed, it's stillness.